Puntahan natin ngayon si Rocky Ignacio sa Malacanang at alamin natin ang pahayag ng palasyo tungkol sa nakatakdang paglagda sa framework agreement na binuo sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng MILF. Rocky?
Yes, maraming salamat, Ralph. Tiniyak nga ng Malacanang na tuloy-tuloy na ang gagawing paglagda ng gobyerno at ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front dun sa framework agreement na magbibigay daan para sa pagbuo ng bagong political entity na Bangsamoro. Kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lasierda, October 15 ang itinakdang paglagda kung saan kumpirmadong dadaluhan nina MILF Chairman Alhaj Murad, Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak na tumatayong facilitator ng peace talks ng government at MILF panel at ilang miyembro ng International Contact Group. Inaasahang magiging makasaysayan ng ceremonial signing dahil ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na makakapasok sa palasyo ng Malacanang ang leader ng MILF.
So, if ever, that will be his first time to step in Malacanang?
That is correct. Apart from Chairman Alhaj Murad, the negotiating panel of the MILF, led by Chief Negotiator Iqbal, will also be here, and together with some other members of the MILF contingent. We have not yet had a confirmed number of participants on their side, but we can confirm that Chairman Alhaj Murad will be here in Malacanang on Monday.
As well as the Prime Minister of Malaysia.
The Prime Minister of Malaysia will also be here. We will have some bilateral talks prior to the signing.
Samantala, tiniyak naman sa palasyo ni Chief Negotiator Marvic Leonen na hindi maisasantabi ang kapakanan ng Moro National Liberation Front o MNLF sa pagtatayo ng Bangsamoro. Sagot na rin ito ng Malacanang sa pahayag ni dating MNLF Chairman Nur Miswari na mas malaking problema umano ang kahaharapin sa Mindanao kapag nabigyan daan ng framework agreement.
Let me just this is a statement that Ging Deles have mentioned with respect to MNLF. MNLF was consulted directly and through Indonesia, the facilitator. We have sent the message that we intend the process of making the new law inclusive, that they will have representation in the Transition Commission, an intent that we have communicated to MILF as well. The OIC has already convened MNLF and MILF leaders to push for unity and coordination. Our policy from the start has been to push for convergence between the two peace tables. The OIC Peace Commission for Southern Philippines, or the PCSP, supports this. Significant elements of MNLF have welcomed this development. With the armed government, we are working with MNLF communities which have clearly expressed their support for the peace process and have called for their leaders to unite.
Samantala, umani naman ang papuri sa international community ang framework agreement ng gobyerno at ng MILF. Sa statement na ipinalabas ng United Kingdom Foreign Secretary William Hague, itinuring nilang malaking aspeto ang framework agreement para matamo na ang tunay na kapayapaan sa hindi lamang daw sa Mindanao kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Ang United Kingdom ay miyembro ng International Contact Group na tumutulong upang mabigyan daan ang pagpapatibay ng final peace agreement sa pagitan ng gobyerno at ng MILF. Ay dyan po ang ating ulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.